ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka Shillong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakam bnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Ka High Command jong ka Party NPP kal ay ka Jiminjur ban Pynïakhun ka Dr. Ampareen Lingdo ka belong ka MLA jong ka East Shillong constituency bat ka Menteri Sarkar Jilla ha ka election Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat ka Bansalong House nam Bansawan. Ha ka jingkran bat la pathai kubor state president jong ka NPP uba Preston Tensong ulayat horu ba ka party kan Pynïakhun biang da ka Agatha ke sangma na Tura parliamentary seat ha ka ni ka election.
So I'm so happy to now declare, after getting the clearance from the Honorable National President, Shri Conrad Sangma, the approval for the proposed candidatures of these two constituencies. So I'm happy to tell you that Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, it has been approved that Dr. Ampareen Lingdo will be our official candidate. And number 2 from Tura Parliamentary Constituency, Mrs. Agatha Sangma, sitting MP, will be our official candidate in the upcoming MP election 2024. I think last time you was not here. I told you we have not less than 5-6 aspirants, not only from Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, but also from Tura Parliamentary Constituency. So ultimately, the State Election Committee has duly examined and proper consultation has also been made, not only up to the district level, but up to the polling booth level. So ultimately, the committee has decided to recommend these two names to the High Command. And again, the High Command has already approved these two names. One is Dr. Ampareen Lingdo and number 2 is Mrs. Agatha Sangma.